Here we have all the heat presses available at AM that you can really start your own business with. Let's start with the top of the range, our 600 by 400 heat press. This is a swing away heat press, very easy to use. You can adjust the height from underneath with the screw. Here's your control panel to change your temperature as well as the settings for time, which is an automatic timer. Now moving on to our clamshell 38 by 38. Very easy to use. Adjustable height is here on the top. Here is our control panel for our time as well as our temperature, also automatic timer. Both of these heat presses are industrial and made to last for one purpose, to do shirts and any big items. Whereas these two here are your multi-heat presses. These here come with different attachments and allow you to do a lot more than just a t-shirt. This is a very easy heat press to use. It is a swing away heat press and your adjustment for height is on top, same as before. Very easy to use. Our control panel. This is for our time and temperature. This heat press allows you to unscrew this attachment and then plug in another one, such as your mug press, your cap press attachment, and so on. The attachments for this heat press are a mug press, a hat press, as well as a plate press. Moving on to our baby here, same as before, very easy to use. It's got a clam as well as a swing away. Adjust height on top with the screw. Very easy to use. Control panel for heat and time. Except now when we want to change, the screw and plug is in the front of the control panel instead of the side. Here you can change it to a cap press and many more. The attachments for this machine are as follows: a mug press, a cap press, a plate press, cone mug press, as well as a shoe press. So there's a bit of confusion around Celsius and Fahrenheit. And here in South Africa we use Celsius. But you know what? Google is literally your friend and it's there to answer the question for you. 1 degree Celsius is 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Right, now let's move on. So all you need to start your own business is a multi-heat press, and with all its attachments and accessories to start sublimation printing and normal t-shirt printing. And this is exactly what you're going to need: Teflon, heat-resistant tape, eco-solvent ink, and sublimation paper, as well as an inkjet printer. And you can get all of this directly from AM, other than the inkjet printer, which you can buy from other places like Macro and Takealot. Of course, blank t-shirts you're going to need, but that you can source online. And there you go, that's all you need to start your own t-shirt printing company. AM also has its own video channels to help you along. Just go to sorted.co.za and type in heat press in the search bar, and you will find videos on temperature and timing, material types, and loads more. So let's see these babies in action. First thing you gotta do is make sure you fill up your printer with sublimation ink and try to keep the same brands so you don't mix your color pigments so that they stay the same. Next thing you gotta do is fill up your printer with sublimation paper. Once you've done that, then you can print your design. Then put your t-shirt onto the press, lay your printed design over it, put the Teflon sheet over that, and then press. And it doesn't just end here. You can substitute sublimation ink for vinyl heat pressing, and I'm going to show you how that's done. In the next episode we're going to look at our vinyl plotting.